Do you have difficulty cleaning out those pesky bits of dirt and oil from your skin? Facial steamers are fantastic skin revitalizers that can help open up pores and make it easy to get rid of any unwanted debris clogging your pores. Once you expose your face to steam, your skin temperature locally rises and heats the dirt and debris stuck in your pores, setting you up to easily clear them out with soft scrub. Facial steamers can be key factors in making your skin softer, as the removal of dirt and oil lets your skin focus on staying healthy and soft rather than playing catch-up. They can also boost blood circulation, which revives natural undertones in your face and organically smooths the effects of aging. They can even help your skin to absorb lotions more effectively. It's amazing how many spa-level benefits one simple device can bring you. Facial steamers can be an ideal investment for those that want quick results, don't have time for lots of complex self-care methods, or simply want to try something new for their skin. Take a look at this list of the top facial steamers of 2023 and do your skin a favor. Number 1. Nano Steamer Large 3-in-1. If you want more than just a facial steamer, you can go for the Nano Steamer as it has 3-in-1 functionalities. The ionic charging plate efficiently removes the dirt from your skin while the steam improves your blood circulation. Furthermore, the steamer is also accompanied by a humidifier, so if you feel you cannot breathe under all the steam, you can use the humidifier. The third functionality that users love is the option of a towel warmer. It is also one of the qualities that make the steamer stand out from the crowd. Nano Steamer is the only full-size device with a larger 200 ml water tank, allows for 30 minutes of working time with a completely silent operation. It also includes an auto shut-off sensor that powers Nano Steamer down when water runs out. A bonus 5-piece stainless steel blackhead and blemish extractor kit is included with every Nano Steamer. This kit includes 5 precise instruments that complement your Nano Steamer perfectly. Follow up your steaming session by using this kit to remove blackheads and blemishes effortlessly for perfect skin after every use. Number 2. GLO Store Facial Steamer SPA. If you struggle with clogged pores, you need the best facial steamers like GLO Store Steamer. The steamer works by tightening your skin to unclog bacteria or dirt. It comes in handy for purifying pores and hydration of the skin. Users love this steamer as it is considered the safest on the market, and many professionals also prefer to use it. The 320% deep hydration and powerful ionic nano mist locks moisture in your skin and gives the best facial results without any irritation. If you want a safe, simple, and effective beauty trick, then you will fall in love with our innovative Microderm GLO Facial Steamer. It sprays a warm nano-ionic mist on your face and neck to provide you with a squeaky clean and radiant complexion. Dermatologist recommended, lifetime warranty. Now you can enjoy the beautifying benefits of our spa-grade facial steamer treatments in the comfort of your home, for just a fraction of the salon price. Our proprietary nano-ionic steaming technology gives you glowing, hydrated skin in minutes. Number 3. Vanity Planet Steamer. It is always a good idea to look for self-care device options that give you spa-level beauty care from home. To help quell the surge, the Vanity Planet Facial Steamer is here. This device comes with a cute and soft bunny headband to help keep your hair comfortably out of the way. Once you secure your hair with the band, you can start relaxing with the nano water steam that helps clear and shrink those pores. It hydrates your skin by locking in moisture and makes skincare a breeze while keeping your hair out of harm's way. High-performing, skin-inclusive, self-care essentials, for everyone. We share your desire for the best skin ever. That's why Vanity Planet continues to evolve the everyday beauty routine with accessible, top-selling skincare and styling devices, and advanced treatments to suit every skin type. Our trend-forward beauty and wellness products deliver spa-grade experiences to the home, for unbeatable well-being, approachable fresh starts to beautiful skin, and attainable holistic rituals. Number 4. Facial Steamer Easy Basics. Is seasonal change making your skin go through unwanted changes? If you want to save your skin from adverse climate conditions, Easy Basics will suit you the best. It comes with relaxing aromatherapy that smooths your face and makes you feel at ease after a long day at work. Just add a few drops of oil on a cotton pad, and enjoy spa-quality aromatherapy benefits. The nozzle of the steamer is a big success for many users since you can adjust its direction and focus the steam on pore-dense areas to get the best results. The facial steamer helps to moisturize your skin and unclogs pores to allow better penetration. The direction of the nozzle and steam flow is adjustable to create your perfect relaxing at-home facial. Moreover, if you need aromatherapy, you can drop a few drops of essential oil onto the aromatherapy pads and place them on the machine's built-in aromatherapy tablets. Number 5. Garnier Nano Ionic Face Steamer. The gentle steam of this at-home facial steamer is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Instead of exposing your skin to excess heat, the device simply softens the uppermost layer of your skin to dissolve oil, dirt, and debris in the moisture, prepping your skin for a deep cleansing routine. And, to help extract blackheads and blemishes, the product comes enclosed with 4 stainless steel tools and a silicone scrubber that you can work with. To make the best of this product, we recommend you to not rush the process and expose your skin to the vapor for a little longer.